Stay right there.
God, he got that in her ear again. Where's it go? Is it all in your head? I bet he can pull it out from the other side, can he? Can he come bring it out that side? I bet Daddy can do it. Close your eyes and let's see. Let's everybody close their eyes. How did he do that?
I was videoing that.
I'm going to hide this.
Look at her. You can't get it in there.
Oh.
Daddy can do it. David, put that blanket in her ear.
I can't turn it down. Turn it up. That's it.
Put that blanket in her ear.
Too loud.
I'll let her do
Put
it.
it right there.
You'll take away his name.